Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to view HTML on VS Code in just a few quick steps. First, open your HTML file in VS Code. You can do this from the File Explorer pane on the left sidebar or by going to File, then Open File from the top menu. Once the file loads, you'll see your HTML code with syntax highlighting in the editor. Now, to preview your HTML, right-click on the File tab at the top of the editor. In the context menu that appears, click Open in Integrated Browser. The integrated browser will open inside VS Code, showing your rendered HTML page. This built-in browser lets you view and interact with your web page without leaving the editor. The preview displays in a separate pane, usually in a split-screen layout. You'll see your HTML code on one side and the rendered page on the other. This setup makes it easy to see your code and preview side by side. Here's where it gets useful. The preview updates in real time as you edit. Go ahead and make a change to your HTML file, add some text, change a heading, whatever you like. Then save the file with Ctrl+S on Windows or Command+S on Mac. The preview refreshes automatically to show your changes. No need to manually reload anything. A few quick tips before we wrap up. First, it's best to open your entire project folder rather than a single file. Go to File, then Open Folder, and select your project directory. This prevents path issues if your HTML links to CSS files, JavaScript files, or images. Everything stays connected properly that way. Second, if you use the integrated browser frequently, you might notice a globe button appear in the VS Code title bar. That's a quick access shortcut controlled by a workspace setting. Click it anytime to launch the browser without right-clicking. Finally, the split screen setup really shines when you're fine-tuning styling or layout. You can adjust spacing, change colors, or tweak text, and see the results instantly next to your code. It saves a lot of back and forth switching between windows. That's everything you need to do. Thanks for watching.